Pixel Studio app, quite popular app, best mobile pixel art editor. It's a new pixel art editor for artists and game developers. Simple, fast, and portable. No matter whether you're a beginner or professional, create amazing pixel art anywhere, anytime. Don't doubt, just try it and make sure you've chosen the best pixel art tool ever, or 5 million downloads around the world, translated to 23 languages. Super simple, intuitive, and user friendly. Use it on mobile and desktop with Google Drive Sync. Use layers, create frame by frame animations, save animations to GIF or sprite sheets. More features. So super advanced app, really good reviews. Seems built by solo developer even. And then you just can create new one. Select name, select dimensions, background color, use simple template, and then you just can just do it like that. And then obviously you just doing stuff like this, select different colors. Doing all of this. There are all of these functionalities in the bottom. So that's basically the idea. And then you can then just tap on it and then just basically save it. All the tutorials, assistance, save and quit, settings. So something like that. That's the idea.